Now let's express, okay, this in the form of, a plus b root c. Okay, so this one is a conjugate set. Okay, so before we can solve, we need to know the conjugate of the denominator. So the conjugate simply means the opposite to this sign. Okay, so if it is 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2, that will be 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2. So from here, before we can solve this, we need to multiply both numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator here. So we have 3 minus 3 root 2 on 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2 times. So the conjugate, the sign will change. 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2 on 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2. Okay. Now let's focus on the numerator, since the numerator is a difference of 2 squares. So from here, I'll just write the numerator as 3 minus 3 root 2, 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2. So the denominator will be, now when we're given a squared minus b squared, the same as a plus b, a minus b. That is difference of 2 squares. So from here, I'll focus here. So a will be 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 squared minus 3 root 2 squared. Now from here, this will multiply that. So we have root 3 times 2 root 3 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2. It's 3 root 2 rather. So the next one will be minus 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2 times the same thing minus 3 root 2. So let's confirm. So this one has taken that, and this one too has taken. So let's square this. So it will be 2 root 3 all squared. That will be, when we're given x raised to p all squared, the square will affect this x and affect that. So it will be 4 times 3. So we have 4 times 3 minus, on this side will be 3 squared 9. Then the square will remove the root sign 2. So 9 times 2. Okay. So let's look at the numerator. Okay. Now when we're given root a times x root b, okay, so this one will multiply that, and this one also take the coefficient here. So let's assume we have 1 here. Okay, so from here 1 times 2 is 2, and root 3 times root 3 is give like root a times root a, which is a, or root a squared, which will be a. So we have minus this time that will be minus 3 root 6. Then this time that, so this one will multiply that, minus 6, and this one will multiply that, another root sign, 6. Minus minus is plus. So we have 9. Then 2 will be 2. On. So 4, 3, 12. Minus 9 to 18. So the next step, 2, 3, 6 minus 3 with 6. Minus 6 with 6 plus 18. So this side is minus 6. So we have 18 plus 6, that is 24. Then we have this. Be very careful here. Okay, so 6 plus 18 is outside the box. So that will be 24. Okay, and minus 3 we have 6. So minus 3 minus 6 will be minus 9. 6. So minus 9 with 6 minus 6. Okay, so from here we can write this one as 24 on minus 6. Okay, minus 9 over minus 6. Okay, so we can choose to bring plus here. Okay, it won't change anything. So 6, 3, 18, 6, 4, 24. So this side will be minus 4. Minus 4 cancel minus plus. Okay, so we have this. So 3 here, 3 here, 2 with 6. Okay, so writing this in the form of a plus b with c. Okay, my a is simply a is minus 4, b is 3 on 2, and c is 6. Okay, as simple as that. All right. Okay, so subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. All right.